अब मैं आपको श्री भागवत गीता का एक विचार बताने जा रहा हूँ। अब वो विचार क्या है? श्री कृष्ण जी ने अर्जुन जी से कहा था, कर्म किए जा, फल की इच्छा मत कर। तो इसका मतलब जानते हो गाइस, हमको क्या करना है? सही कर्म करना है। कर्म भी कैसा करना है? सही होना चाहिए, तो आपको फल ना ऑटोमेटिकली मिलेगा। आप सोचो कि भैया आपने अभी अच्छा कर्म किया और हाल की साल फल मिल जाए, तो ऐसा नहीं होगा। श्री कृष्ण जी ने क्या बोला था? आपको अपने कर्म करना है और आपको फल अच्छा जरूर मिलेगा, बट आपका कर्म अच्छा होना चाहिए। समझ में आ रहा है? इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? वी हैव टू डू आवर डीड्स, रेस्ट अप टू द गॉड। वी हैव टू डू आवर डीड्स, रेस्ट अप टू द गॉड। तो हमें क्या करना है? जो कर्म करना है ना, वो थोड़ा दिमाग से करने हैं, मतलब अच्छे तरीके से करने हैं। मतलब हमारा दिल भी अच्छा होना चाहिए, दिमाग भी अच्छा होना चाहिए, तो हमारा कर्म अच्छा होगा। समझ में आ रहा है? दिल में और दिमाग में क्लियरिटी होनी चाहिए, अच्छा कर्म होना चाहिए, तो बाहर का कर्म भी अच्छा होगा। समझ में आ रहा है? तो इसलिए श्री कृष्ण जी ने अर्जुन जी से बोला था, क्या बोला था? कर्म किए जा, फल की इच्छा मत कर, अच्छा कर्म करो। कर्म मतलब क्या? श्री कृष्ण जी कर्म से मीन्स क्या है? अच्छा कर्म करना। So that's it for today. Guys, Jai Hind. Guys, today's video is going to be very valuable for all of you. Why? Because in this video I will tell you one thought which will help you to speak in English. If you want to speak fluent English, or if you want to gain fluency in your communication, then you must watch this video. Okay guys, so without wasting of time, I am starting the video. So what is that thought which will help you to speak in English? Check it out. Look at guys. Spoken English doesn't come when you speak occasionally. Spoken English doesn't come when you speak occasionally or a few days, but it comes when you speak consistently. Are you getting guys? If you want to speak in English, or if you have a keen desire to speak in English, then you should remember this thought. If you follow this thought, then I can guarantee you, you will definitely speak in English. And what is this thought? Thought is this: spoken English doesn't come when you speak occasionally or a few days, but it comes when you speak consistently. It means you should speak English every day. If you really want to become a fluent speaker, or if you have a firm desire to speak in English, then you must follow this thought. This is a great idea I have observed in myself. You know, at this time I am speaking English. So how I am speaking in English? By adopting this thought. I adopted properly this thought. That's why I am able to speak in English. You can think that I am an English teacher, that's why I am speaking in English. But it doesn't happen with all the English teachers. You know, there are a lot of English teachers. They can't speak in English. They have good command over grammar. They can explain grammar very nicely. But when it comes to speak in English, they are not able to speak in English. Why? Because they are not habitual of speaking English. So I would like to suggest you, you should speak every day something. I am not telling that you should speak 24 hours in English. I am telling you, you should understand English comes by speaking. This is the one funda to speak in English. So you should think na, like many person can speak in English because they think this psychology. They have adopted this psychology, that's why they can speak in English. And speaking English is not a big task, as I always say to all my students and to you also. Be patient. First of all, you should have patience and try to understand, try to figure out in which portion you are weak. I am telling you, I can understand you are good in grammar, you are also good in writing, you are also good in what? Understanding, but you are not good in speaking. That's your problem, na? So be relaxed and think where is the fault. Try to find out the fault, because as we know every problem has a solution. So why your communication is not improving, but what you are doing, you are not working on that problem. That's your problem. You are weak in communication, your communication is not good, you are not able to express your ideas in English, whenever you go to interview you fear, you get afraid, na? So you also know the solution, guys. Nobody knows solution is also yours. If you try to find out the solution, then I can guarantee you can also speak without any tension, without any depression. And I understand you can speak. Why can't you speak, guys? If a lot of person can speak in English, what they think, they have confidence. They have confidence to speak English. That's why they are speaking. As soon as you have this confidence, you can also speak. Until or unless you find out your faults, how can you remove these? Until or unless you figure out what's your weakness, how can you remove that? Are you getting? So speak with patience and speak with intelligence. Don't be afraid. While speaking English, don't be afraid. You should think about this idea. What? Spoken English doesn't come when you speak occasionally or a few days. It comes when you speak consistently. This idea I want to tell you, it can change your spoken English. Are you getting, guys? So be relaxed, be calm and speak in English. And I hope you must speak. It's my wish for all of you. Whoever is watching my video and whoever are watching my videos, I always wish for all of you that, hey Lord Shiva, give them wisdom to speak in English. I also pray for you, So you should also pray to God yourself. You should pray for you that, hey Lord Shiva, hey Lord Rama, hey Lord Hanumana, please give us stamina to speak in English, and it will come. It's not a fun. I'm telling you seriously. If you believe in God and you also pray to God, so God will also help you to speak in English. Little bit spiritual, yaar. Spirituality is more than everything. At this time you are not understanding, but after getting everything, what the mostly successful people do, they become spiritual. You can see anybody's biography, whoever got success in life, they become spiritual. At the end, what is the next level? Next level is spirituality. They go for spiritual. So be spiritual also. And don't do everything for selfishness. Mostly person do everything for selfishness. That if I do this, then I will get this. Don't think like this. Think about yourself, that how you are working. Don't think about result. If your working is good, result will come automatically. So I want to tell you one thought of Bhagavad Gita. So guys,